This is the question asked in today's SkillTrack daily challenge. So in the first line of our input, we are given a string as an input. So here the input string is SkillTrack, and then in the next line we are given two characters. So the first character is from char and the second character is to char. Now we have to create the range of characters between these two characters. So the characters present between H and P are H and then I and J, K, L, M, N, O and P. So these are the characters present between this range H and P. So now what we have to do is, if any of the character in the input string is present in this range, then we have to toggle it to uppercase. So here the input string is SkillTrack. So the first character S is already uppercase, and then the second character K is lowercase, and we are able to find K in this range. So we have to toggle this character K to uppercase. So the new string will be, so first S will be in uppercase and then K will also be in uppercase, and then the third character is I, and I is also present in this range, so I must be also toggled to uppercase, and then the character L is also present in this range, so the next two characters L must also be toggled to uppercase, and then R is already uppercase, and A, so we don't have A in this range, so we need not toggle the character A, and then similarly we don't have the character C also, so C also remains in lowercase, and then the last character is K, so K is present in this range between H and P, so we are toggling the character of K. So this is how we will be toggling the characters based upon the characters present in this range. So finally, after toggling the characters, this is the resulting string. So in our output also we can see that we are printing the same string. So now we have to write a function named custom2upper, which toggles the characters like this. So now let us see how we will be defining that function. So this is the function named custom2upper, and this function is of return type void, and it accepts a character array named str and two characters named fromchar and tochar in its arguments. So now we have to define this function named custom2upper. So what we are going to do is, we are going to iterate through all the characters in str. So I'm creating a loop that iterates from 0 till the string length of str, and in every iteration, if str of I is greater than or equal to fromchar and str of I is less than or equal to tochar. So if this condition is true, then it means that the particular character of the string is present in the range of from and tochar. So whenever this condition is true, we have to toggle the particular character to uppercase. So within the if condition, we have to make the character uppercase. So we can make use of the toUpper function. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.